Last meeting, I have tackled to you the meaning of organic chemistry and organic the meaning of organic chemistry by Sin Liu, the author of the book that I am using, and I have given you a chance na i-define ang organic chemistry with your own words, with just one word, and we try to make our own definition of it. No? For today, I'm going to discuss the chapter 2 na nga. Please take notes and read the modules that I have given. And after that, we will have our exam. Mga March na yata. March, second week ng March or first week. No? Kaya mag-ready na. So, what is organic compounds? Organic compounds are compounds that contain the carbon element. Tandaan, ang organic compounds is a compound that have carbon element. Yan ang permitang tatandaan. Okay? The simplest organic compound is a hydrocarbon, which is a compound containing only the elements carbon and hydrogen. No, not only one, ha? It contains carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbons are composed of several subcategories like alkene, alkene, alkyne, aromatic, depending on the type of carbon bonds. Okay? So, hydrocarbons, as you can see here, example of hydrocarbon is alkene. Alkene has alkenes has single bond of carbon atom. No? Single bond ng carbon atom. As you can see here, single bond of carbon atom. This means single. Okay? Single yan. Single. And this one is alkene and cycloalkene contain double bonds of carbon. Ganito, double bonds. This is double bonds. Yan, nakikita nyo dyan. Yan, double bond yan. And alkyne, triple bond. And aromatic contains a benzene ring and its derivative. Na? I hope it's clear. Clear naman yata yan. No? Don't have to explain it further. So this is an example of organic compounds, alkenes, probably. So alkane is the simplest hydrocarbon with only single bond. No, the chain alkene fits the general formula. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. That's the general formula for chain of alkene. Ito yung general formula ng chain of alkene. Chain of alkene. Na? Yan ang general formula ng chain of alkene. Okay? Clear ba? Yan yung formula. Pasensya na parang patagilid. Pero, okay na yan. Okay? I hope it's clear. No? The primary source of alkene are natural gas and petroleum. Natural gas contain mainly methane, 70 to 90%, and some ethane. Petroleum refining separates crude oil to into different fractions, and each fraction consists of alkenes of a similar number of carbons. Propane and butane are common fuels in propane gas burners and cigarette lighters. Alkenes with 5 to 8 carbons are the major components of gasoline, while diesel contains alkanes ranging from 9 to 16 carbons. As the number of carbons increase, the boiling point and viscosity of alkenes increase. There are a variety of formats to show the structural formula of organic compound, and it is important to be able to recognize different formula drawing and use them correctly to represent the structure. Na? This is the Kekulé structure. We had some discussion on Kekulé structure in next meeting. Di-discuss yan ni sir in person. They are similar to Lewis structure with all the bonding electrons shown in short lines. And all the atoms include as element symbol. However, the long pair electrons are left out in Kekulé structure, which is the major difference between Kekulé structure of organic compounds and Lewis structure. Okay? Yun yung pagkakaiba nila. Di-discuss yan ni sir in person, no? Para mas clear siya. Okay? Ito. This is the condensed structure. Yan ang condensed structure. Ito. Yan, condensed structure yan. Yan. No? In condensed structure, formulas that CH bonds are omitted and all the H atoms attached to a certain carbon or other atoms are usually shown as group like CH3, CH2, NH2, and OH. The structure in table 2. It's not okay. Are shown condensed structure. Ito. Condensed structure to. Condensed structure. Na? Yan, condensed structure yan. So, this is the short line structure formula. The structure drawing can be further simplified by a short line structure or bond-like structure skeletal formula in other books. This is also called structural skeletal formula. Skeletal formula. Yan. Tawag din dito is skeletal formula. Yung pag ganito, yung ganyan-ganyan na pag-portray ng carbon ng isang structure ng compound, organic compound. No carbon atoms are shown as exemption if it's optional to show the CH3 group at the end of the chain or as a branch. Each bend in a line of terminus of a line represent a carbon atom unless another atom is shown explicitly. Hydrogen atoms bonded to carbon are not shown. Remember, hydrogen atoms bonded to carbons are not shown. Hydrogen atoms bonded to other atoms are shown explicitly. Atoms are other than carbon and hydrogen, for example, nitrogen, oxygen, and Cl needed to be shown explicitly. It depends. Depende yan, no? Hope it's clear. So, this is an example of short line structure. No? This is an example of short line structure. So, this is an example of structure skeletal formula, also called short line structure. As you can see here, yan, skeletal formula yan, short line structure. Okay? Wala na ba dito example? Yan ang skeletal structure. So, para discuss ko na kung paano yung gawin. For example, we have cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. No? CH4. Ay, no, it's not CH4. No? C4H8. H8. Yan. Paano ba yan i-drawing? Pwedeng ganito. Yan. Yan na. Yun na yung skeletal structure niya. Make sure 1, 2. Ano? It's wrong. No? Hindi yon. Okay. Cyclobutane. Sorry. Ito yung cyclobutane na structure. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. That's the cyclobutane. No? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, this represent 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom. Yan lang. Di na to kasaling H8. No? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Yun lang ang paggawa ng skeletal formula or short line structure. Okay, other example is dimethyl pentane. No? Dimethyl pentane. Other example is dimethyl pentane. No? This is an example of dimethyl pentane. C9, C9H 2. Yan. Dimethyl pentane. Wait lang. Ang yung C9 is dimethyl heptane yun. Yung kanina kong dinrawing may C9. Ano yun? Dimethyl dimethyl heptane yun. Ang ano natin is dimethyl 3 to 4 dimethyl pentane. No? Ito. C7H16. Yun yung ano natin. Yun yung idodrawing natin. Gagawa natin ng structural formula. This would be yan. Kung idodrawing mo siya, ganito yung structure niya. Okay? Sobra. Wait lang. So, 1. Yan. Yan. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan yung structure ng dimethyl pentane. No? Yung kaninang may C9 heptane yon. Okay? Yan ang example ng structural formula, no? Skeletal formula, no? So this is the perspective formula of 3D structure. Unfortunate, how can I play this video? Hindi ko siya napiplay. No? So the structure, this is the perspective formula of 3D structure. No? The structure drawing can be further simplified by a short line structure or bond line structure skeletal formula in other books with the most atom omitted. No? I'm just going to send the YouTube video about perspective formula of 3D structure para mas madali ta siyang maintindihan. Okay? Unfortunately, I can't open this video, no? Di ko siya mabuksan. Ito na lang. So this is the constitutional isomer, skeletal formula, constitutional isomer. Almost the same lang yan. Yung butane, ito yung butane. No? Butane, this is butane. As you can see here, butane has 4 carbon atom. No? Carbon yan, 4 yan na carbon. Kaya ang pagka-drawing sa iya, arog lang ka na 1, 2, 3, 4. No? So ito isobutane to. Wait lang. Ito naman is isobutane. To. As you can see, it has 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. No? I hope it's clear. Yan. Ito yung constitutional isomers. It has 5 5 carbons, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Clear ba? I hope it's clear, no? So dito, recognition of primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, and quaternary carbon. Yan. Primary carbon attached directly to only one other carbon atom. Secondary carbon attached directly to 2 other carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon attached directly to 3 other carbon atoms. And quaternary carbon atoms attached to 4 other carbon atoms. As you can see here, oh. Ito, primary to. Ito primary to. Kasi, single carbon atoms lang. Ito to, 4, quaternary to, dahil ano siya, naka-attach siya sa 4 na carbon atoms. Ito naman is secondary kasi 2 lang, no? As you can see here. Ito 3. Tertiary to kasi 3 carbon atoms ang naka-attach sa kanya. No? Clear ba? I hope it's clear. Yan. So, I would like you to press this link, no? Para mag-ready kayo sa next lecture sa chapter 2, structure of alkenes, and I will send a video, then I will teach it to you personally, no? May video na, may in person pang pagturo para much clearer. So just in case na nariribong-ribong, you can visit my YouTube channel. You don't have to like it, you don't have to like or subscribe, you just have to comment kung anong nanooddan. Yun lang to, no? Thank you and have a nice day, na? Thank you and have a nice day.